Sometimes people don't wear helmet for protection, and also some people consume alcohol before driving. To deal with these two problems, we have proposed an innovative safety device named SafeMate. In the safety device, it automatically checks whether the person is wearing the helmet and a non-alcoholic breath while driving. Let me show you its working. In this prototype, here we have a transmitter and a receiver. Now I am connecting the transmitter circuit. It is connected. Now I will connect the receiver. As you can see, I have connected. So now here is the button of ignition. Here it is the ignition button. Now I will turn on the ignition button. I have turned on the ignition. Now I will put this helmet. The bike starting. Now if I remove, the engine of the bike gets turned off and the bike gets stopped. And in the safety device, there is one more feature. Suppose if the driver has consumed alcohol before driving, this alcohol sensor will sense the smell of alcohol and it will automatically turn off the engine and the bike will not start. Let me show you. I have put some acetone to depict alcohol in this prototype. Now I will send this acetone to the alcohol sensor.